So hello and welcome guys to this video. This is the part 2 of how to hack Wi-Fi without external adapter in Kali Linux. So in the first part we captured 4-way handshake using ComView which did not require external adapter. So first of all go and check out that video. The link of this video is in description. You can capture handshake file without using external adapter from that, and for the rest of the process we are using Kali Linux. So here we will be starting from the handshake file that we recently captured. So first of all let me show you the handshake file that we recently captured. So this is the handshake file that I captured, and now what would you need is a password list. So what are we gonna do is we have a cap file which consists of our password, then we are trying to match the password of our cap file with the other passwords, so we can get the password list of 10 million, 20 millions, 30 millions, or even more, to match our passwords from the cap file. And also we can create the custom word list or the password list. We can create millions of passwords within seconds, and for that video also I have made this video. I will put the link of that video in description too. So let us download a custom word list. For now I'm typing how 10,000 100k password list GitHub. So here for, you can go to any link, you can search for any password links that are available in GitHub. There are many password lists available here. This is the passwords list of 100k and 7 passwords. So I'm going to just download it. So this is downloaded. So let's go to terminal and type sudo give your administrative permission, enter passwords, and here type Aircrack-ng, and you have to paste the word list that we recently downloaded. So it's in the download folder. So just right click on it and click on copy, and here paste clipboard. And then, sorry, I forgot one thing. We have to put -w before pasting this link. That means -w, and now space and the cap file that we recently captured. So here is my cap file, and here paste the cap file. So first of all make sure you correctly enter the command. So once the command is correctly entered, just click on enter, and here is my required Wi-Fi that I want to connect the password of, and here it shows one handshake. So its index number is 19, so I'm going to click on 19, and here it will start trying the keys. So here it is trying 770 keys per second, and I'm using this in virtual machine, so I have just given 1 core of my CPU. If you have 2 core, and if you give 2 cores, then it will try at the speed of 3000 keys per second, and if you have more cores, then it will try even 5000, 10,000 keys per second. That means you can try 100k keys in just 10 seconds. So let's wait. It is trying many passwords to match. Just have to patient until the 100%, and if by chance you do not get the key up to 100%, then you have to download another key list or password list from the online and try it. And if you do not find the appropriate password list, or if you just know some specific characters and you want to customize the password list, then you can also do it. The guide for that video is I have already uploaded, so you can check that video out from the link in the description also. So here it is saying key found and my key is showing here. I have successfully found the key. So by this way you can also crack the password out of the cap file.